Hi, my name's Mark. Here at Photoshack, we are the specialists when it comes to studio photography. From student, commercial and professional photography. Here at the Shack, we can help find the perfect light for you. Even once we have found your light, the service doesn't stop there. We also offer full servicing and repairs on all of our lights and lighting accessories. Our prime brand of studio flashes is metal, with over 15 varieties covering a range of power and needs. The metal range has a studio flash for your studio purposes. The metal range has an inbuilt fan for cooling to allow for a more consistent light output and a longer working life. It also has a Bowens mount, which is one of the most durable and common lighting mounts. This allows you to use a wide range of lighting modifiers such as softboxes and snoots. To start off, for beginner studio photographers, I personally recommend our K series of lights. They come in a 300 or 400 watt model. The lights both have a recycle time of around 1.5 seconds, have continuous variable adjustments, are compact and extremely reliable. This makes them perfect for portrait photography. However, if you require a quicker flash duration or even a higher powered light, I would recommend the ME series of lights for those intermediate photographers. They come in 300, 400 and 600 watt models and range in recycle time from around an ultra fast 0.3 seconds to 1.8 seconds on the 600 watt model. This makes them a great light for people studying photography, wedding photographers and part-time professional photographers. The ME series of lights have overheat and multi-protect functions and an optional Wi-Fi remote system that enables you to change the settings and light power on individual lights or groups of lights, which saves you time in the studio. For specialized shoots or advanced photographers, I recommend the MT series or the Mars DR series. The MT series have either a 400 or 600 watt model with a recycle time of around 0.5 to 4 seconds. These lights are best for commercial use as they have a large metal housing allowing for better cooling and are more impact resistant if you forget to sandbag your lights. It also features pro spec components so they can handle the workload demanded by a professional studio photographer. The Mars DR series comes in a 400 and a 600 watt model like the MT series, but also has an 800 and a 1000 watt version, which is great for high powered shoots. The Mars DR series has a recycle time of around 0.5 to 4 seconds. And for individual light control and light group firing, it has a 2.4G wireless receiver built in. This light is perfect for product photography and gantry mounting since it can be mounted upside down. However, if you're wanting an even faster recycle time for fashion photography or require a quicker flash duration, I highly recommend having a close look at the metal range of professional studio flashes. The Q series, or Q for quick, with a 400 and a 600 watt model. Both feature an extremely fast recycle time of 0.5 seconds for the 400 watt model and 1 second for the 600 watt model at full power. The Q series also has a flash duration of 1/10,000th to 1/1000th of a second, making it perfect for freezing motion such as dances and water. If you also would like to control your lights wirelessly, then consider the Metal R series. These come in either a 300 or 400 watt version and feature a recycle time of 0.5 to 1 second at full power. On top of this, it has the added feature of being able to do stroboscopic lighting effects. For people who like to shoot out in the field and want to use the power of a studio flash, the MS series is the best. Coming in 400 and 600 watt versions, the MS series features a lithium-ion battery, making it suitable for outdoor use. As part of the kit, you get an aluminium case, LED modelling lamp, and stroboscopic abilities. And to add to the mix, it is also compatible with the metal Wi-Fi remote system. This light is perfect for professional wedding photographers and is a must-have if you like the freedom to shoot in almost any location, including outdoors. Now, two lights I haven't shared with you yet is the 600 AD and the 400 TTL. The 600 AD is a 600 watt light and can be powered by an AC or DC power supply and is suitable for both outdoors or studio use, making this light extremely versatile. The 400 TTL is also suitable for outdoor use and has a recycle speed of 0.2 to 2.8 seconds and is compatible with the metal Wi-Fi remote. It features an LED modeling lamp and is compatible with both Nikon and Canon TTL systems, making it an ideal light for location shooting of weddings and fashion shoots. Overall, Metal has a wide variety of studio lights, but we're here to help you and work out the best option for you. Along with in-house lighting repairs and servicing, we are your experts for studio lights, so feel free to check out our website or come into our showroom for a demo. Thanks for watching.